heard right, folks. Today we're diving into one of the most common design mistakes that can completely disrupt the flow of your home. A misplaced kitchen island can kill your home's flow faster than you can say shiplap. Imagine trying to navigate through your kitchen only to be constantly bumping into an oversized island that just doesn't fit. It's like that awkward piece of furniture that just doesn't belong. You know the one that's always in the way, making the space feel cluttered and uninviting. Suddenly, your kitchen, part of your home, feels cramped and chaotic. Nobody wants that. The kitchen should be a place of joy and creativity, not a source of frustration. But fear not, my friends, because I'm here to tell you that a well-placed island can be a game changer. It's all about understanding the flow and functionality of your space. It's all about creating a harmonious balance between beauty and function. A kitchen island should enhance your space, not hinder it. You want an island that's both a stunning focus point and a workhorse in the kitchen. It should provide ample storage, additional counter space, and even seating of beauty. Think of it like this. Your kitchen island is like the lead singer in a band. It needs to stand out and capture attention, but it also has to harmonize with the rest of the elements in the kitchen. It needs its space to shine, but it also has to work in sync with the rest of the band, cabinets, appliances, and countertops to create a hit song, a functional and beautiful kitchen. So take the time to plan your kitchen layout carefully. Consider the flow, the functionality, and the aesthetic. A well-designed kitchen island really transforms your space into a harmonious and efficient haven. Now, you might be thinking, Chip, why all the fuss about a little island? Well, let me tell you, a well-placed island isn't just about looks, though it certainly doesn't hurt. It's about creating a space that's both efficient and enjoyable to use. Imagine this. You're whipping up a feast for your family, and everything you need is within arm's reach. You're chopping veggies on your spacious island, your sous chef, aka your partner or little ones, is prepping ingredients on the other side. And there's still plenty of room to move around without bumping into each other. And let's not forget about the resale value. A well-designed kitchen can be a major selling point for potential buyers. It tells them that this is a home that's built for living and entertaining. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. When it comes to island placement, space is your best friend. You want to make sure there's enough room to move around comfortably, even with all your family and friends crammed into the kitchen for your famous chili cook-off. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 42 inches of clearance between the island and your surrounding cabinets and walls. This gives you enough space to open cabinet doors and drawers without performing an awkward dance around your island. And trust me, nobody wants to see that. As for the island's height, 36 inches is the sweet spot for most countertops. This allows for comfortable prep work without making you feel like you're hunched over all day. Remember back in school when you thought geometry would never come in handy in real life? Well, surprise! The work triangle is about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. This magical triangle connects your sink, stove, and refrigerator, and the ideal distance between each point is between 12 and 26 feet. This ensures that your kitchen is designed for efficiency, allowing you to move seamlessly between tasks without running a marathon. Now I know what you're thinking. Chip, my kitchen isn't exactly the Taj Mahal. Don't you worry. Not every kitchen is perfectly laid out. That doesn't mean you can't create a functional and stylish space. Get creative, work with what you've got, and remember, it's all about finding the right flow for you. Section 5. Light up your life and your island. Let's talk about lighting, folks. Lighting is one of those elements that can completely transform a space, making it feel cozy, inviting, and functional all at once. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or just looking to make a few updates, the right lighting can make a world of difference. Good lighting can make or break a space, and your kitchen island is no exception. The kitchen island is often the heart of the home, where we gather to cook, eat, and socialize. Therefore, it deserves special attention when it comes to lighting. We want to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while also ensuring we have enough light for all those culinary masterpieces we'll be whipping up. The right lighting can set the mood, making your kitchen a place where everyone wants to be. Pendant lights are a popular choice for kitchen islands, and for good reason. They come in a variety of styles, shapes, and sizes, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your space. Plus, they provide focused lighting right where you need it most. They This height is ideal for providing sufficient light without getting in the way or causing glare. This ensures the light is close enough to be functional without obstructing your view or creating a head-bumping hazard. It's all about finding that perfect balance between form and function. And don't forget about dimmer switches. These handy devices allow you to control the brightness of your lights, making it easy to switch from bright task lighting to a softer, more ambient glow. These little guys are a game changer, allowing you to adjust the lighting to suit your mood and the occasion. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, having a quiet family meal, or just relaxing with a cup of tea, dimmer switches give you the flexibility to create the perfect atmosphere every time. Section 6. Getting real with island living. Now let's bring it all home with some real-life examples, shall we? Imagine a cozy farmhouse kitchen with a large, rustic wooden island. The island is the perfect spot for family gatherings, whether it's enjoying a casual breakfast or baking cookies with the kids. Or picture a sleek, modern kitchen with a minimalist island featuring a waterfall countertop. This island is all about sophistication and functionality, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a glass of wine while prepping dinner. The possibilities are endless, folks. The key is to choose an island and a placement that complements your personal style and the overall design of your kitchen. Section 7. Material world, picking your island's perfect match. Choosing the right material is key to creating a cohesive and stylish look for your kitchen. The kitchen island is often the centerpiece of the room, so it's important to select a material that not only looks great, but also fits your lifestyle and needs. You want your island to complement your existing countertops and cabinets, while also adding its own unique touch. This balance can elevate the overall aesthetic of your kitchen, making it both functional and visually appealing. For a classic and timeless look, you can't go wrong with natural stone like granite or marble. These materials have been used in kitchens for centuries and continue to be popular due to their durability and elegance. These materials are durable, elegant, and add a touch of luxury to any kitchen. Granite and marble are not only beautiful, but also heat resistant, making them ideal for busy kitchens with cooking and frequent activities. If you prefer a more modern and low-maintenance option, quartz is a great choice. Quartz countertops are used in natural quartz combined with resin, making them non-porous and highly resistant to stain and scratches. It comes in a wide variety of colors and patterns and is incredibly resistant to stains and scratches. This makes quartz an excellent option for fabric and a beautiful yet practical kitchen surface, and for a touch of warmth and character. This material brings a natural and this natural wood surface is perfect for food prep and adds a touch of rustic charm to any kitchen. Butcher block countertops are also easy to maintain and can be sanded down to remove any scratches or stains, ensuring they look great for years to come. Section 8. More than just a pretty face island functionality. Remember, your kitchen island isn't just a pretty face, it's a workhorse that should be designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Consider adding built-in features like a sink, dishwasher, or microwave to create a dedicated prep or cleanup zone. And don't forget about storage. Drawers, cabinets, and open shelving can help keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. If you're tight on space, think about incorporating seating into your island design. Bar stools or even built-in benches can create a casual dining area or a spot for guests to gather while you're cooking up a storm. Section 9. Island time, your kitchen's happy place. Well, folks, there you have it. Mastering kitchen island placement is all about finding that perfect balance between form and function. It's about creating a space that's both beautiful and practical, a place where you can gather with loved ones and create lasting memories. So go ahead, embrace your inner designer and transform your kitchen into the heart of your home. And remember, it's not just about the island, it's about the life you build around it.